In this video, we listed the 5 best enclosed 3D printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FLASHFORGE Creator Pro 2. The product description highlights a 3D printer with an upgraded flexible platform designed for easier removal of 3D models, enhancing user convenience. The feature may require an additional purchase. The description also includes a video for better understanding, with options for playback controls such as captions, audio tracks, and full screen mode. Additionally, an image of the 3D printer is provided for visual reference. The content is structured with navigation options like previous and next pages for seamless browsing and further learning about the product. Number 2. Creality K1C 3D printer. The Creality K1C 3D printer by Comgrow is a high-speed, efficient device designed for superior performance and convenience. With a remarkable printing speed of 600 mm per second and a 20,000 mm² acceleration, it is 12 times faster than standard 3D printers, offering a printing size of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches. The printer comes pre-assembled and ready for plug-and-play operation, with features like auto-calibration, auto-leveling, and auto-input shaping that simplify the setup process. Its clog-free direct extruder supports high-temperature printing of up to 300 degrees Celsius and is compatible with various filaments, including carbon fiber. The printer incorporates smart AI functionality, including an AI camera for real-time monitoring and detecting issues like spaghetti failures or debris. Additionally, the upgraded cooling system with multiple fans ensures efficient heat management, improving print quality by minimizing stringing and warping. Designed for ease of use and reliability, the Creality K1C offers a seamless printing experience for users of all levels. Number 3. FLASHFORGE Finder 3D printer. The FLASHFORGE Finder is a user-friendly, affordable, and safe 3D printer designed for beginners, kids, and educators, making it ideal for homes and classrooms. It features a slide-in build plate for easy print removal, an intelligent assisted leveling system for precise calibration, and operates quietly at just 50 decibels. The printer uses non-toxic PLA filament, with heated components safely encased, ensuring safety during operation. It offers a build volume of 140 by 140 by 140 mm, a layer resolution adjustable between 100 to 400 microns, and supports Wi-Fi, USB, and cloud-based printing. The Finder includes an intuitive color touchscreen, stable second-generation Wi-Fi connectivity, and access to the 3D cloud for storing, editing, sharing, and accessing a vast model database. Weighing 13.5 kilograms with a compact design, 420 by 420 by 420 mm, it is equipped with flash print software and comes with essential accessories like a quick start guide, power adapter, USB cable, and startup PLA filament. Backed by a 90-day manufacturer warranty, the Finder is an excellent choice for exploring the creative world of 3D printing. Number 4. Monoprice Voxel 3D printer. The Monoprice Voxel is a 3D printer designed for ease of use and efficiency, featuring a quick-change nozzle that allows for tool-free replacement in seconds. It includes a heated, flexible, and removable build plate, making it simple to remove models or swap plates for continuous printing. The printer comes fully calibrated with auto-leveling functionality and allows for easy adjustments via a touch screen interface. It supports operating systems like Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10, Mac OS X, and Linux. Additionally, the Voxel has an auto-feeding system with a filament sensor that pauses prints when filament runs low, ensuring seamless operation. Weighing 12.92 kilograms and constructed from durable polycarbonate materials, the printer is compact and user-friendly. For more details, software, or manuals, users can visit the Monoprice website and search for Voxel or part number 33820. Number 5. QIDI Technology XCF Pro. The QIDI Technology XCF Pro is a high-performance 3D printer designed specifically for printing carbon fiber and nylon filaments, while also capable of handling PLA, ABS, PETG, and other materials with ease. It features a cutting-edge single extruder system made from high-temperature alloy material with dual-gear extrusion for enhanced accuracy and durability when printing carbon fiber. The printer incorporates industrial-grade manufacturing with dual Z-axis, industrial guides, and an upgraded XYZ structure for high precision and fast printing. Its PEI printing plate minimizes warping issues, and the printing speed can reach up to 120 cubic centimeters per hour for standard filaments. The XCF Pro also includes advanced features like an automatic intelligent leveling system with 20-point calibration and a user-friendly 5-inch HD capacitive touchscreen. It is powered by a Cortex M4 mainboard and TMC2208 driver chip for efficient performance. Additionally, QIDI Technology has developed specialized carbon fiber and high-temperature nylon filaments to optimize the printer's capabilities, making it an excellent choice for professional users seeking reliable and precise results.